This is Michael Jansen. I am the founder and CEO of cityzenith. We are a software company based in Chicago and London that is helping to pioneer the use of digital twins in cities around the world. Today, I am speaking with you about smart public spaces and how digital twins can help to enable the identification and programming of smart public spaces in cities. Digital twins are virtual replicas of buildings and infrastructure that are connected to the data in and around them, and they are used by architects, planners, contractors, and owners to optimize every phase of the life cycle of the building process. Digital twins can provide actionable insights to a wide range of stakeholders, from city governments to building owners to district managers to even residents on the street. Cities face a lot of challenges today. As we know, we have to build 10,000 new cities just by 2050 in order to accommodate projected population booms. Today, we're going to speak about one challenge in particular, which is the repurposing of physical infrastructure in cities in a world that is enabled by smart technology. We're all familiar with the plaza, if you will, the square, which is a common feature of cities around the world. Today, technology is helping us to rethink these single purpose squares, which perhaps were originally designed for the gathering of worshipers or for political staged events, things of this nature, or even for sports events. Today, these spaces can leverage technology to change the purpose of these spaces over the course of a single day. We call these programmable spaces. One of the projects that we're working on that is actually becoming an example of this is the Orlando Sports and Entertainment District, and that's in Orlando, Florida, the home of Disney World. You can see in this image on the left a space in the lower left-hand corner here, which is an external plaza. It's actually opposite the Amway Center where the Orlando Magic play basketball. So people basically pour out of the arena into this massive space, throughout the day, at several times a day. So the owners were thinking, how do we take this dynamic space and make it changeable so it becomes different things throughout the course of the day? And the solution is really fascinating. What they ended up doing was turning that space into a giant piece of technology with digital screens and with kiosks and with specialized lights. So it's times of the day, this space will be used for just simple outdoor seating. And other times it's an entertainment space where you have live performances. Still at another time, it's a place where they can show large multi-screen video performances. And still at other times, it becomes just a plaza that people can pass through and mill around. So it's fascinating. Digital twins actually allow us to integrate all of the different movement in and around the properties, so we can actually program this accurately. We can time everything in such a way that sensors will know when and where people are, such that we can optimize the programming of these spaces to make sure that they're always efficient and being used for the highest purpose. So it's really fascinating what's happening in the world today. And I think if you really come to think about what cities are going to look like in the next 5 or 10 years, it's just going to be off the charts. But definitely, you're not going to be as mono-purpose as they have been in the past. Thank you very much.